Ready to get the most bang for your buck on your home makeover? Here are the top 5 renovations that promise the highest return on investment. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5 with an impressive 92% ROI is a major bathroom remodel. Imagine transforming your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. At number 4, we have a 93% ROI is converting that unused attic space into a cozy bedroom. It's not just about adding the space, it's about creating value. Landing at number 3 with a staggering 98% ROI, we have a Minor Kitchen Remodel. A little paint here, new countertops there, and bam, your kitchen is just not new, it's improved in value. Sliding into number 2 with a perfect 100% ROI is new landscaping. It's not just about planting flowers, it's about planting investments. And to take the top spot at number 1, with an incredible 102% ROI is a Minor Bathroom Remodel. A few updates can go a long way in making your bathroom look brand new and increasing your home's value. There you have it. These renovations not only transform your home, but also offer the highest returns. Which projects are you going to start on first?